Are you getting error code CE-100028-1 that says there is not enough free space on the SSD on your PS5? You are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Manage the PS and console storage. When you get error CE-100028-1 on the PlayStation 5 with message, there is not enough free space on the SSD, check the storage and clear some space. To uninstall games or apps on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select games and apps. Now select the game or app you want to delete and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor bugs and errors that can be responsible for the issue. So you can restart the device and restart your router and modem as well. Method 2. Check your internet connection. The next thing you should do is check that your internet connection is stable. You can try connecting other devices to the same network to see if they work properly. You can also restart the router or modem and check if that helps. You can also open PS5 settings, then head to the network page, then select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. You can also connect your service provider for help. Method 3. Reinstall the content. Next, you can uninstall and reinstall the game for which you are getting the error. Deleting the game and re-downloading the game can fix the issue. To uninstall the game on PS5, you can follow method 1 or open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select games and apps. Now select the problematic game and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Method 4. Check for updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 5. Try installing a hard drive. You can also try using an external hard drive to your PS5 for extra storage. Proper installation of the external hard drive is crucial for maintaining the optimal performance of your PS5. You can install it manually by following these steps. Connect the USB cable to the USB port on your PS5. Navigate to Settings and select the Settings or Storage option. Choose USB Extended Storage and then Format as USB Extended Storage. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the formatting process. After these steps, your PS5 should detect the external hard drive. If it doesn't resolve the issue, consider trying a different solution. Method 6. Contact support. If you couldn't fix the issue till now, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are getting error code CE-100028-1 while installing a game or update on your PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.